Okay, let's get started. We're basically going to have producers that are on our browser. We're going to be setting it to Event Hub's event stream for producer. Spark, Fabric Spark is going to be doing structured streaming and is going to be writing events into an event hubs that our consumer in the browser is going to be reading. So we start by creating two event streams called producer and consumer. So I've already created that. So you can see here is the producer stream, and the other one's the consumer. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and grab the connection string. So for example, this one, this is the producer write. So I can grab it, and we go back here in the browser, producer write. So I paste it, tries to connect. Okay, and then the same thing for the all the other ones. So I've already gone ahead and copied those strings. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. There we go. It's the producer read, the consumer write, and the consumer read. So what's going to happen is our browser is going to be writing producer events to this event stream. Spark is going to be reading from that same topic. You can see here, these are the same entities. And Spark is going to be writing health events, and then our browser is going to be reading from the same topic. So let's go ahead and add some producers. Let's add two producers. And these are basically just threads that are running on our browser, sending an event every 3 seconds. And we can see that the events look like that. And as we've started, because Spark is not running, the producer health state is unknown, and there's no events that we are receiving on the consumer side. So let's go ahead and copy this code, paste it into our Fabric notebook over here. And we're just going to go ahead and click on run. So this is basically going to connect to the event hub, and it's got the connection strings that you put in earlier. And if we go down, we will see that Spark has found that the producer one is sending events, and it has gone ahead and marked it as initializing and healthy. So if we go back and let's, for example, take producer one down. So let's take it down. Let's add another producer. Okay, so producer 3 is sending events. And if we go down, we see that producer 1 is unhealthy and producer 3 is healthy. So let's say we wanted to take producer 1 back online. We go ahead and add the events, sending the events again. And if we go down, we will see that producer 1 is healthy. So we can see that Spark has only been sending us events when it finds that producer has not been sending a heartbeat for 5 seconds. So for example, let's go back. Let's take, say, producer 2 offline. I'm going to click pause. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see within 5 seconds, we have the producer offline. So, and you can see all the events that Spark has been writing out here. Thank you.